Hello everybody, we're gonna check out the new update in Gorilla Tag. Hold up, let me get something on my face. I look better, now I look better. So, we're gonna join back, we're gonna play the new update. I've been shaved, you can see, and I've got a new fit, a shirt. Me and Xander are gonna be playing this, so let's go to Capes.
Okay, let's go. Oh no.
No! Oh my god.
That's bad.
Oh my god, they added water. They added water. Oh wait, no way.
And I'm back, I'm at the back of that. Guys, they literally added a shark. I never.
Yeah, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Shark! Mr. Shark! Mr. Shark!
I totally never saw the shark before.
Come on, no! Sharky, Sharky! Yes! Where at? Skibbity toilet! Oh my god! What else did they add? I don't know anything else they added. Bro, where did you go? Bro!
What?
Oh, hold up. Get over here. Playing in water. I'm gonna be playing a song. You're the audience.
Yeah.
Let's check out the